What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video we're going to be replacing this clutch pump on a International Prostar. If you see it was leaking oil, which is brake fluid, therefore it would be hard for the driver to put the truck on gear. It would slip a lot, sometimes it would get stuck. So we're going to be replacing it for that reason. Stick around, it's pretty easy. Tools we're going to need, it's a 13mm socket or a 1/2 inch. A ratchet, some picks, a light, and a container to drain all the oil from the pump. So basically the pump is going to be below the transmission. It's pretty easy to find, it's very obvious. So to remove the hydraulic hose, we're going to be using a pick to remove the retainer clip. Now make sure you don't send that thing flying. Save it just in case the new one doesn't come with it. Mine did, so I'm just going to be replacing it with a new one. So after removing the 4 bolts, the pump will come apart. Just remove the shaft, it gets stuck on the fork. Now if you see, there's a lot of mud inside. So we're just going to be using a pick to clean it up and put the new one back. So when putting back the hydraulic hose, make sure you clean the O-rings, then push it in, then just put the clip. And after that, make sure you give a little bit of tugs on the line just to make sure it's really in there. Because if it's not in there and then you go press on the pedal, it could pop the line out and you could have brake fluid spilled all over the floor and undercarriage. So now we're going to be purging the system. I'm going to be using a purging pump. It's pretty easy to use. You just put the line on the bleeder of the clutch pump. You build some pressure on the pump, open the bleeder, and just let all the air come out through the top. By the top, I mean the reservoir. They sell some special caps with a line which lets you drain it correct way, but I didn't have that system, so I'm just gonna be using a cup and put it below the reservoir and collect all the old fluid. Okay guys, so basically that's it. If you have any suggestions, please comment them down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.